welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these beautiful and very easy crochet floral makeup removers. You can also use these as cup coasters, that completely depends on you. Like this, you can use as a cup or mug coaster. The pattern is very easy, dear friends, even the beginners can easily make these. In this video I will make these as makeup removers. As I told you, you can also use this as cup or mug coasters. Okay, let's go on how to make this. If you have this kind of scrap cotton yarns, this project is very suitable for you. I am using 3mm hook. We need the scissors to cut the yarn ends. And we need a darning needle to hide the yarn ends when we finish the project. That's all what we need for these beautiful crochet makeup removers, dear friends. We are starting from the center by making magic ring. I'm taking my yarn in my hand. I am making magic ring like this. Okay, I'm keeping here. First of all, I am making one chain to fix the magic ring, and then upon this I am making 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over. I am keeping this yarn end around the ring. Later on I will pull it. I am making a double crochet. Okay, inserting my hook in the ring, making another double crochet. And another double crochet. I am counting the first 3 chains as double crochet 1. So now we made 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets. Like this we are making 12 double crochet, dear friends. This is 5. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, and this is 12, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this 3 chains is 12. Okay, now I am going to close this ring space. I am keeping this yarn end and I am pulling it tightly. I'm keeping here and pulling tightly. As you see, the space disappeared. Now I am inserting my hook on top of the first 3 chains. Here like this. Yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, and the first round is finished by making 1 chain to fix the yarn. Now I am cutting. We are finished with this pink color. Now I am taking another color in my hand. I will go on with red color. You are free to choose your own colors yourself. I am inserting my hook between 2 double crochets. For example, here I'm inserting my hook. You can insert your hook anywhere. You can insert between these 2 double crochets, these 2 double crochets. That's completely depends. Anywhere between 2 double crochets you are inserting your hook. Now I am going to fix my red color. I am keeping this yarn end in the back with my fingers, pull through, and I am fixing the yarn. Now I am making 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. After making 3 chains, I'm making yarn over, inserting my hook again in the same space between 2 double crochet and making a double crochet. I'm making 2 chains. This is 1 and this is 2. Yarn over. I'm going to the following space between the following 2 double crochet like this. First of all, I'm making 2 loops pull through, leaving the rest 2 loops on the hook, making yarn over, inserting my hook through the same space, yarn over, pull through, again making 2 loops pull through. There are now 3 loops on the hook. I'm making yarn over and making pull through all these 3 loops in one time, like this. From now on, we are going to do like this. When starting, we are not doing this. We are making 3 chains and we are making 1 double crochet, but following, we are always doing what we did in this second space. Let me show you. We are making 2 chains, yarn over, going to the following space, inserting our hook in there, yarn over, pull through. Only 2 loops we are making pull through. We are keeping these 2 loops on the hook, making yarn over, inserting our hook in the same space, yarn over, pull through, and making 2 loops pull through, yarn over. Now I will make pull through in one time, like this. I am making 2 chains, yarn over, inserting my hook through the following space. First of all, I am making 2 loops pull through, keeping these 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, inserting my hook in the same space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, 2 loops pull through only. Now there are 3 loops on the hook, yarn over. I will make pull through in one time, like this. 2 chains and going to the following space. This round is going on like this, dear friends. Let's come to the end of this round as I explained to you. I came to the end of the second round 12 times. I made this. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I am going to finish this round. I am making 2 chains, inserting my hook on top of the first 3 chains, like this, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, making 1 chain to fix the yarn, and I am cutting the yarn like this. We are on the round 3. I'm taking another color in my hand. I am starting anywhere between these blocks. For example, here I'm inserting my hook, but you can start any space, it's no matter. First of all, I will fix the yarn. I am keeping this with my finger, pulling, making 1 chain. Upon this, I am making 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. I am considering these 3 chains as double crochet 1. Meanwhile, I am keeping this on the round. In this space, I am going to make 2 double crochet. This is double crochet 1, yarn over, and this is double crochet 2. I am considering the first 3 chains as double crochet 1. Now in this space there are now 3 double crochet. I am keeping this yarn end in the back, making 1 chain, going to the following space, making 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and this is 3, making 1 chain, going to the following space, making 3 double crochet in here. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, making 1 chain, going to the following space, making 3 more double crochet. It's been 2, and this is 3, making 1 chain, going to the following space, and making 3 more double crochet, like this. Okay, this round is going on like this by making 3 double crochets in each following space, here, 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 like this. In each space we are making 3 double crochets and coming to the end. I came to the end of the round 3. I'm making 2 chains, 1, 2. I'm inserting my hook on top of the first 3 chain, 1, 2, and this is 3, inserting my hook in there, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. Now I'm making 1 chain, inserting my hook through the following space, making a single stitch, going to the following space, making another single stitch, going to the space, making a single stitch. Like this, one by one, we are going to make single stitches till the end of this round. This is the last round, dear friends. Look, I am making single stitches. I am in the space, inserting my hook in the space, making 1 single stitch. And on the blocks, one by one, I am going to make 3 single stitches. 1 single stitch on the first double crochet, second single stitch on the second double crochet, third single stitch on the third double crochet. I am going to the following space, making a single stitch. Now I am on the block. I am making 1 single stitch on the first double crochet, making another single stitch on the second double crochet, and another single stitch on the third double crochet, and in the space making another single stitch. Yes, dear friends, like this we are completing this round. I came to the end of this round. I made my last single stitch in the last space. Now I am inserting my hook on top of the first single stitch, yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch. We are finishing our makeup remover. I am cutting the yarn. It is totally finished. Now we are going to clean the yarn ends in the back side. I am taking darning needle in my hand. I will pull through the darning needle through the back stitches in the first round. Since this yarn is pink, we are making pull through only through the pink yarn. I am going to the other side in order to fix well to the opposite side, I mean. A few times we are doing this. Now I will make a knot. Okay, I am cutting the yarn. We are hiding all the other yarn ends in the same way. If the yarn end is short like this, you can use small size hook instead of darning needle. It is also an alternative. Let me show you. But if you don't have small size hook, of course you can do this with the same hook that you crochet. It's no matter. If you leave the yarn ends longer, you can go on with darning needle. But since they are short, I am hiding with hook. Okay, that's all. I am cutting the yarn end. In the same way, we are hiding all the other yarn ends. Yes, as you see, I cleaned all the yarn ends. This is the front side. Our project is totally finished, dear friends. As you see, it is very easy. In one day you can make many. You can make 6 or 12 pieces, and in a set you can give it to your friends as a gift, as a present during birthday time, Mother's Days, Valentine's Days. And as I told you before, you can also use these as cup coaster, mug coaster. It is also possible. Okay, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you like this project. I really love this. I also love the colors. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials, dear friends. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. See you in the coming videos.